Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Currently we are to the trek to Asherigad. Now we are currently at the base village, the Khodkana village. This is the village. And you can see the fort. There is a fort there, Asherigad. It's currently 7 AM. Hoping to reach the fort by within an hour or so. We have a total group of 15 people here. Let's enjoy the trek. So currently we are into 14 minutes into a trek. We have finished around a kilometer, and as you can see, the road is very well marked. It's an easy trek. So 40 minutes into the trek, we have almost reached the halfway. Now we have come from this way. Now we'll go by this way up. So after a short break of around 15 to 20 minutes, we are again back on the track. We are again moving to the top of the fort. the middle of the trek, we have come across this wooden carving of an animal. I guess it's a deity of a local. Now let's again get back onto the trek. So now we have come across another rocky patch. So I guess the second rocky patch here. So now we have come across this place. It's a ladder here. This ladder. It's a way cut between the. It's a ladder. It's been placed between the two big rocks. The one here and this one. So now we are moving in on the ladder. The earlier, as you can see, it was before the ladder was placed. It was carved between the. They used to come on the rocky patch. So we have come across another carving. The earlier was made from wood. This is the one carved from stone. Don't know exactly the reason here, but it looks like some crown and stuff. So here is the first water tank. It's not a clean one. Some of the groups come here, they regularly do the cleaning. Salute to them. So the view from here is awesome. So this must have been the gate or something, as you can see. But the people, shameless people like Sunil Rawate, have written their names and something, such stuff. Almost reached the top of the fort. It's now just a small patch which you have to cover. We need to explore the place a bit quickly because it's going to be too hot afterwards. Now let's explore, have some photo session and explore. So we are on the top of the fort now. It's now complete plain. We are exploring. Let's see, because there are some cannons and a few water tanks. Let's see what we can find. One of the best messages here is कचरा कुंडीचा वापर करा, पर्यावरणाचे रक्षण करा, जंगलामध्ये प्लास्टिक टाकण्यास सक्त मनाई आहे. Do not litter on here. So we have come across the first destination. Here it's a small temple, and so I guess it's KO temple and the few cannons here. Yeah, the another two cannons are big ones are there. It's something I guess. So now we are moving to the water tank. After seeing the big one, it's here somewhere. The two water tanks which we saw when we were coming earlier. So here are the water tanks. It's I guess the water tank number 3, and the other one, the fourth one, is just beside this water tank. The other water tank is just beside this one. It's here. The tank number 4. It's a bit like a partition has been put on this. This one. Okay, we have now started the descent. Now we are moving again to the base village. The route is only the same one we have taken, where we have parked our vehicles. So we are now halfway into our descent. Still it will take around half an hour to reach the base village. It's currently around 11:20. It's the route. So we have entered the base village. Currently it's what, like same 11:43. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video. If you have watched till this, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and always say keep exploring.